It's got the V8 engine, and you'll climb just about anything you aim her at. International Harvester makes those Scouts rugged as a bear. I threw her an all-wheel drive, and we sailed through the bottom slick as a whistle.
Hey, this is Michael J. with This Old Car. Today, in this video, we talk about the International Scout. Hey, the story of the International Harvester Scout begins in the late 1950s. The International Harvester Company, known for its agricultural machinery and trucks, recognized a growing demand for a versatile, all-terrain vehicle. The aim was to create a vehicle that combined the ruggedness of a truck with the comfort and versatility of a passenger car. By 1961, the International Harvester Scout 80 was introduced to the market. It featured a 152 cubic inch inline-four engine, producing 93 horsepower. The Scout's 80's box utilitarian features made it an instant hit among farmers, ranchers, and, outdoor enthusiasts. The Scout 80's were built between 1960 and 1965. These models were identifiable by a boxy utilitarian design with removable sliding windows and a fold-down windshield. The rugged nonsense look was geared towards functionality. By the end of 1964, International Harvester had already built 100,000 Scouts. To celebrate this achievement, International Harvester marketed a red carpet series Scout 80 in 1965, which was a white with a red interior Scout and had a custom logo or badge under the window on each door. This Scout was a step up from the regular models. It was marketed to attract more people and was often advertised with women in mind. Hey, really quick, let me pause the video. Hey, we want to thank those who are hitting up our eBay store. We sell posters, classic posters, and posters of current cars. So if you're into classic cars and you want a poster, most likely we have your poster. You can catch the link in the description below and in the comments. It's our eBay Payless Classic Car Poster Store.
I see you bought a new car.
This isn't just a car, it's a Scout. Come on.
You traded our station wagon?
Wait till you try the four-wheel drive. Try that in the car.
Hey, interesting fact, during the 1960s, International, they experimented with a camper body permanently mounted to the Scout 80 called the Camper Mobile. The roof, it was raised nearly double the original height to allow standing upright inside. Hey, let's head over to 1965. The Scout 800, it replaced the Scout 80 in 1965 and was built from 1965 to 1968. These models had many improvements in comfort and design, including bucket seats, better instrumentation and heating systems, optional rear seats, and an optional International 196 cubic inch or a 3.2 liter inline-four. The last of the 800 series was the 800B, available for less than 8 months from August 1970 until March 1971, before it was replaced by the Scout 2. The 800B was available with the Comanche package. This package included special paint and decals, chrome trim, sliding travel top style windows, and other options such as a roof rack, chrome wheels, and an upgraded interior. In late 1970, the Snowstar package became only available with a 6-cylinder engine. Hey, let's talk Scout 2, which was, in my opinion, the most popular Scout of all, in my opinion. What's your opinion? Leave your comments below because we want to know. The Scout 2s, well, they were manufactured from April of 1971 to 1980. And again, in my opinion, the most popular line for the International Scout. The Scout 2 is most identifiable by its different grills or front grills, right? The 1971 to 1972 Scout 2's grills, they had 3 horizontal bars between the headlights and chrome rings around the headlights. The 1973 Scout 2s had 14 vertical bars between the headlights and a split in the middle, 7 bars on each side surrounded by chrome trim pieces and a international badge at the bottom of the left corner. The 1975 grills had chrome and black square trim rings around the headlights. Man, the options you had back for these Scouts, right? 1976 had the same headlight trim rings as the 75. Are you guys writing all this down? And a chrome center grille of the 15 horizontal bars split into 3 sections was used for this year only, which was 1976. The maximum gross vehicle weight rating for all Scouts, no matter the engine or equipment, was increased to 6,200 pounds for 1976, so as to avoid having to fit the catalytic converters. The Scout 2s could also be ordered with the full metal travel top, the half cab roadster top, or a soft top.
When winter gets tough and the snow gets deep, fight back with Scout. Scout lets you shift into 4-wheel drive for extra traction. And now's the time to buy an International Harvester Scout for
In 1980, the final year of production for the Scout, the grille used a distinctive single-piece design made of ABS plastic and available in black or silver. Both grille color options had imprinted chrome trim around the headlights. Very few 1971 through 79 Scout 2s were ordered with rear-wheel drive only configurations. Most were 4-wheel drive. I mean, why get a Scout without a 4-wheel drive? In its final years of production, well, it saw minor updates, including new paint schemes and graphic packages. Interiors, well, International continued to focus on comfort and customization.
Harvester says the decision is final. There is no chance of the city making another effort to save the 36-year-old plant.
So why did International Harvester end production of the Scout? Well, despite its popularity, labor strikes and internal financial difficulties further compounded International Harvester's challenges. The company struggled with high production costs and declining sales. By the late 1970s, these issues had culminated in a decision that would mark the end of an era. In 1980, International Harvester ceased production of the Scout, focusing instead on its core business of agricultural machinery and trucks. Hey, we just got some recent news here in 2024, the revival of the new Scout. Fast forward to the present day, and the Scout is poised for a grand comeback. The enduring appeal of the Scout, combined with a growing market of retro-inspired vehicles, set the stage for its revival. Volkswagen announced its plan to bring back the Scout as an all-electric SUV and pickup truck. This announcement was met with excitement and anticipation from the Scout community and automotive enthusiasts. Hey, what do you think? Leave your comments below. Do you think you're going to like the electric ones, or have you done any research? Let me know. I'm curious. The new Scout is set to blaze new trails in the automotive world very soon. Hey, that's going to wrap it up for me, Michael J., with This Old Car. What did you think about the Scout, the International Harvester Scout, and the electric one that's coming out here pretty soon? Leave us your comments below because we want to know. You know, it's been 3.5 years and we are at 71,000 subscribers and some change. We are looking to hit 100,000 subscribers and we need your help. Like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for any future notifications. This is Michael J. with This Old Car. We will catch you later.